Stop for a second. Look around you. Every package, every wrapper, every bag you touch today will live far longer than you. Some will still exist in 400 years. Strange, but true. Now, here is the powerful question. What if there was a way to live without leaving a mountain of waste behind? Welcome to today's journey, where we explore the zero-waste lifestyle. It is not a trend. It is a way of rethinking how we live, how we shop, and how we care for the planet. The zero-waste lifestyle means reducing trash so little or nothing ends up in landfills or incinerators. The idea is simple. Treat waste not as garbage, but as a resource. Instead of throwing things away, we design life so there is no away. The heart of this lifestyle follows 5 simple steps. First, refuse what you do not need. Second, reduce what you use. Third, reuse and repair what you already have. Fourth, recycle only when there is no better option. Fifth, let nature take care of the rest by composting food scraps into new soil. Think about this. By saying no to a single-use plastic bag, you stop waste before it begins. By repairing a pair of shoes, you save money and save resources. By composting kitchen leftovers, you turn waste into life for a garden. These small choices add up to a giant impact. The benefits are powerful. Less pollution in rivers and oceans, cleaner air in our cities, fewer greenhouse gases warming our planet, and even new jobs and opportunities in recycling and reuse. Zero waste is not just good for the earth, it is good for people too. The zero-waste lifestyle is not about being perfect, it is about being mindful. Every time you choose to refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, or rot, you are shaping a cleaner future. So next time you hold something in your hands, ask yourself, does this belong in the trash, or can I choose a better path? Because a world without waste is not just possible, it starts with you.